All right, we're following some breaking news out of Georgia, everybody. A lot of people waking up early this morning to the ground shaking, a 3.9 magnitude earthquake rattling the southeastern part of that state. It happened just after 4 a.m., centered in Candler County, just about 160 miles from Atlanta. People reporting feeling the tremors hundreds of miles away. There are no reports of any major damage or injuries caused by this earthquake. It is the second day in a row Georgia has woken up to an earthquake, by the way. There was a report of a small 2.5 magnitude quake yesterday, about 50 miles north of this morning's earthquake.